So one of the concerns we hear frequently is that posting on social media takes up a lot of time and human resources, both of which are fairly limited. And indeed, this is true. And so because of this, in this video, we are going to be looking at how to build up a content plan, what you post and when you post. And we'll be looking at the use of scheduling tools and websites that will help you map out your posts throughout the week, or indeed a month. So a post is any item of content that you publish on your page or on your group. So a post could be text, such as a Bible verse, a media-based, such as an image or video, the sharing of an upcoming event. It's really important to keep your social media fresh by posting regularly or sharing new content. But remember, here we have some top tips. Quality is more important than quantity. We want you to create interesting and engaging content for your readers. One of the questions that we might ask is, what exactly can you manage? There are only so many hours in a day, and with family and work commitments, you need to work out what you can realistically manage. So we want you to be consistent. Once you've decided what you can manage, stick to it. Studies show that the more consistent you are, the more likely your audience will see your post and your audience will grow. A varied selection of content makes for a great feed and a good read. So think about some pictures or videos, some short quotes, some links to videos or blog articles, and sharing events you have coming up. You may want to work out how much type of each content you would like to have on the feed. So for an example, you might want to say, on Monday, you share a video of a worship song or a hymn. On Wednesday, you might post a link to a blog, a website, or a news article. And on Friday, share details of the upcoming service. Other posts ideas could be prayers and reflections. You can look at the prayer for the day from the Methodist Church, local news from your community, updates from events, projects or initiative. A bit about who you are. The Evangelism and Growth team have recently been running a series on real conversations, so be in conversation with about who you are and what you are about. Try to build up a relationship with your followers. Get involved in national campaigns like our Christmas campaign, or indeed share anything about the Methodist way of life. We have already mentioned in other videos the use of hashtag campaigns, Motivational Monday, Transformational Tuesday, Wednesday Wisdom. And of course, we have our own Christian church calendar of dates, as well as remembering to celebrate along with other faith traditions. Depending on who your neighbours are, you might want to post Happy Diwali or Happy Hanukkah. You can download a social media calendar which will give you dates that are celebrated across the world. We might be more familiar with dates like Earth Day or Pride or Black History Month. But who knew that April the 11th is National Pet Day, or indeed that there was a Random Acts of Kindness Day? Or Talk Like a Pirate Day, ooh-ah, ooh-ah, now that would be fun. So with this strategy and some of these ideas, you could queue up an entire month's worth of content in one go and schedule it to appear at the right time. So let's now have a look at scheduling. Facebook has its own scheduling tools called the Meta Business Suite, which you can also download as an app. But you'll find the link at the bottom of your page on the left-hand side. Once in the Business Suite, you can schedule your posts by either going to Post and Stories or Planner, both of these on the left-hand side. Let's go into Planner and you get an invitation to schedule a post. Choose your date, save, and then write your post. And that is scheduled. And there are also websites that can help with scheduling. Many have free versions, but to get the full set of features, you may well have to pay a monthly fee. So you might want to have a look at Hootsuite, Buffer, or Lightful. Most of these sites also enable analytics, so you can schedule your posts and also look at engagement, clicks, and likes. TweetDeck is specifically for Twitter and lets you view multiple timelines in one interface, so you can see notifications, messages, and trends at the same time. So try some of these out and stick with a scheduling platform that you like.